In this particular session, I can see that in the mix window you have demonstrated the ability to level balance, and you've used some sensible panning techniques, panning the piano left and right away from one another. You have also used a appropriate insert effect on the lead vocal and backing vocal. My main area of concern is that you don't appear to have fully utilised the send effect feature as specified in the brief. Remember, a send effect sends a portion of the signal from any channel out to what I refer to as a communal plate. Now, you have generated your communal plate, an auxiliary channel with a reverb inserted on it, but you haven't actually sent any of your channels out to the reverb unit itself. Now, to do this, you need to click on the send panel, for example on the snare drum, choose the first available bus. Now, importantly, you need to remember to turn the send up, so you need to actually apportion an amount out to the send, and then finally you need to set the input of your communal plate as the bus, like so. So if I then play the track back from a particular section of the song, I don't want to hurt you, but I will. You can see that a portion of the snare signal is being sent out to the reverb, and then you could then do the same thing with, for example, the guitar. You'd send that out to bus 1 and 2 as well, remembering to turn it up, and then you would be reverberating both the snare drum and the guitar. Okay, and my final comment is that I did specify that I wanted to see some volume automation in the session. Now, it appears as though you don't actually have any automatable parameters displayed in here. So what you could have done in its most simple sense is generate perhaps a master fader and then just automate a volume fade out on there.